Welcome back to our channel. Today we're here with a double process color application transformation. We're going to be using the Pravana Pure Light Ultra Lightener with the 20 volume developer. We want to make sure that the hair is fully saturated with the lightener, especially since there's previous color in the hair. For color, we're going to use the Pravana Chroma Silk 10N in extra light blonde with the 20 volume developer. Make sure the hair is fully saturated and you didn't miss any spots. Now you can use your styling products to curl the hair. Thanks for watching. See you next time.